Hello there and welcome back to Fun with Music. Today I'll be showing you how to transfer registration banks by Trinity to your keyboard. These banks include all the voices and styles for all pieces of the Trinity keyboard syllabus. So it can save you a lot of time looking for and setting up all the voices and styles. So let me show you how you can transfer these registration banks to your keyboard. First, open up a browser such as Chrome and then type in Trinity Yamaha India. Then look for the link that says Documents and Data. The link to this page is given in the description. Then look for the Trinity Grade Examinations registration data for your keyboard. In this case, it's the PSR SX700. Then click on the download button to start downloading the registration banks. Now we need to transfer these registration banks to a USB drive. So let's expand the zip that we just downloaded. Inside the folder that shows up, we have all of the banks from grade initial to grade 8, and we also have a PDF called trinity.pdf. In this PDF you can see all of the voices and styles used for all of the pieces of the Trinity keyboard syllabus in a tabular form. And you can also see which voices have been used in which registration memory. Next, select all of the banks from grade initial to grade 8 and then transfer it to the USB drive. Once the transfer is complete, you can eject the USB drive and then unplug it from your computer. Now I have plugged in the USB drive to which we had copied all of the Trinity registration banks. Now to transfer these registration banks into our keyboard's memory, we need to go into our registration bank page, and in our USB we can see all of the registration banks which we had copied. To copy these banks into our keyboard's memory, I'm going to press File, Copy, and then select all of the banks that I want to transfer into my keyboard's memory. Now I'm going to press Copy, go into the user folder, which is the keyboard's memory, and now we'll press Copy here. Now we can see that all the registration banks that we had in our USB have now been copied into our keyboard's memory. Now let me show you how you can use these banks to play any song from the Trinity keyboard syllabus. For this example, I'm going to play King Porter Stomp from grade 6. So this is how you can access and transfer Trinity's registration banks into your keyboard. I hope you found this video helpful, and please feel free to post any questions in the comment section.